Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Here's how to measure using your iPhone. So let's get started. So by default, your iPhone has a utility, which you can find in the utility or search for measuring. So you'll see an app called Measure. Now, if you don't have it, you can go to App Store and download it as well. And basically, this allows you to do a couple things here. First thing is measure. So if you want to measure something, for example, this thing here, you can pretty much add points, or up here, you can add a point and then move it around and then add another point, and that'll give you a measurement. And then you can do other multiple points as well, so you can set another point and then maybe measure this way, and you can see basically the measurements as well. And a couple things here you can do as well. You can change up, copy these measurements that you're doing and move it over here. Now, unique thing about this is you can clear this and do another measurement. You can also take a screenshot here, and then you can also use it to level as well. So again, a cool app. If you haven't used it on measuring, if you needed to quickly measure something, go ahead and try this. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.